guys, I'm gonna explain. Let me just go to the bathroom. I really have to go to the bathroom. It's my mom looks like a excuse me. Okay. I know you ate for like 10 minutes. You better not go in my room, so. Because this is guys, this is gonna be the end. YouTube keeps glitching, so yeah. But this is her channel. If I cutted this part out, I was saying that I'm having a double play date with my bestie Olivia and Johnny. This is her account. She doesn't post anymore. She's not allowed to, so bye. I'll record the next part.